Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday and it's still winter, kaya ang lamig pa din dito sa Australia. Um, I think it's because it's Monday, I don't have a work, kaya may time ako talaga na mag-post gumawa ng video, I mean. And I would like to share some of my new plans na tinanim ko long time ago, and then dumami lang siya. And kasi we just moved into a new place and we bought a new house, kaya it takes time for me to get settled and open a new account dito sa YouTube, kasi 2 years ago we have YouTube channel and napabayaan ko siya nung dumating ako dito sa Australia, kaya sabi ko I will open a new account, kasi I try to download again to upload new videos, and that channel doesn't allow me to what do you call it, post videos again. And I think someone hacked that account, so I don't have any choice but I figure it out later on kung paano ko siya i-delete and then totally mag-start into beginning, kasi hindi na rin siya mag-work. So what I do now, I start a new account, and yeah, I hope yung mga followers namin before mag-subscribe pa rin until now, and then follow and likes our future videos. Anyway, before I will start, I will just show you some of my plants here inside the house. And this one, actually, it's a baby ones na kinat ko lang, na cutting ko. Gumawa kasi ako ng cuttings last time doon sa isang malaki na sorry, binigay binigay ng friends ko. And yeah, I think it's growing very good. Kaya lumaki na siya, oh. And as you can see, I have few plants in my living area, and I'm going to show you sa front door ko later on, and also in this side I have few ones tas magaganda din. And the best part of my house na paborito ko talaga is yung patio ko. Yung area ko sa labas ng garden ko, yung indoor garden ko siya. At the same time, dito din kami kumakain minsan. And I have a table there. And I'm going to show you. Actually, ito yung kung saan ako nag-cutting.